Hey, I'm just doing a quick video on my cell phone here because I'm excited about my new fountain pen and I don't want to take a whole lot of time to set up the camera and everything like that. So I'm just doing it on my cell phone. But I also wanted to do a video on my unboxing of my fountain pen. Got these 3 inks here. I got Writer's Blood. I've got, I'm not sure how you say this, but it's a kind of a turquoise color. And then Fuyogaki. Now for the main event. This pen is the Edison Pen Company. It's the Collier Persimmon Swirl is the collar of it. Thank you for your purchase. It is just so beautiful. Now you gotta put some ink in it and see how it writes. Yep, I'm going to be doing a lot of writing with this pen. I've always loved fountain pens, and this is my first fountain pen that I've spent more than $100 for. The first fountain pen I had that I really liked, I spent about $70 for it. And then somebody stole it from me in church one day. And then I got a replacement for it that was about $45. And then I wound up getting a couple of $25 pens. And then this one I paid $165.